You don't know who I am, but I promise I won't scam or rob you.
You ain't the only one that's asked to see the inside of my truck, and you won't be the last. So, now this is one thing I wish I would have had in my first truck: the back door. That back door is better than sliced bread. I'm telling you. I use that back door more than I use my front door now. It's just so much easier.
That's what she said.
Anyway.
We'll start this interview, huh?
Let's do it.
What's going on, mother truckers? So, I told this man I'm a nobody, but I love trucks. And I just popped up on him while he was cleaning. He said, I don't care if you're a nobody. If you love trucks, let's do it.
That's all that matters.
I appreciate you. You're gonna help me grow from 1 subscriber to 2, and I thank you so much for that, you know?
No worries, no worries. That's what I'm here for.
Please introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Philip Burton. I own Off-Road Enterprises. I'm out of Kansas City, Missouri.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
And I see you on the side of this TA. We're in Wildwood right now, and you're cleaning. Why are you cleaning?
Man, I gotta look good going down the road. Just because I'm a truck driver, I don't have to smell like one. I don't have to look like one. Hey, I want to look good going down the road. What can I say?
Maybe this is what the new look is.
Yep.
You are the new look.
I'm trying to set the trend. I'm trying.
I love that. I love that. So I saw this. It says, "Don't touch my truck."
That's right.
How long you been trucking, sir?
25 years or so.
Then why you look 25 now? Oh, okay, let me be real honest. I'm gonna be real honest. Why you look 32? Why you look 32?
See, you ain't even right. I appreciate that. See, this is why I let you come in and do this for me.
You know, could we do a little walk around?
Yeah.
And talk about the truck? Maybe see a little inside. I know you don't know who I am, but I promise I won't scam or rob you.
You ain't the only one that's asked to see the inside of my truck, and you won't be the last. So
I tell you,
I like showing it off. It's a little dirty because I've been living in it for the past. I'm out of Kansas City.
Yeah.
But I'm usually up in Walton, Kentucky, running out of there for FedEx.
Yes, sir.
But I'm down here for peak season.
Gotcha.
So I've been down here for the past month, just kind of trying to. That's why I'm cleaning, because it ain't been clean since I've been down here. I'm like, how in the world you gonna be in Florida with a dirty truck?
I heard that. So let's start in the front.
Right.
Let's start in the front. Talk about the specs a little bit. Let's do it. All right. For all the KW lovers out here. All right, let's do it. So tell me what we got going on.
So right now we got this is a W9, yes, W900L is what it's called, Kenworth. It's got a C15 Caterpillar motor, which is a 550 motor. It also has an 18-speed transmission and 355 rear ends. So she'll kind of scoot down the road if I wanted to.
I love that. I love that.
Got some extra stuff to do to the front of it. Right now it's just got the regular bumper, regular stacks, and visor. I'm going to get a 20-inch drop bumper on there with lights in it. I'm going to get a drop visor so it comes down kind of gangster style, a little bit lower at my windshield.
Yep.
And of course I got to get my straight pipes put on there.
Hey,
rolling loud, buddy, rolling loud.
Hey, so let's walk it. Let's go on whatever side you want to walk on.
It don't matter. It don't matter.
Yeah, walk around. Give us a tour.
I put in headlights. These are LED headlights. They're really good at night, but they're also heated headlights. So when I go up north here to Kentucky in a couple of days, that'll come in handy. It won't, how your ice and stuff gets on your headlights and nope, that'll melt it.
How you flex without flexing? That's what you say. I got heated. Look at that, sticking out his tongue like. That's what I do, baby. That's what I show off. I show off. I'm the biggest show off you'll ever find.
At least you're
honest about it. I love it. I love it.
I'm real about it. I'm honest. That's all.
Hey.
I've only had the truck maybe, it's been about a month and a half now. I've had the truck. I just bought it.
Brand new?
No, it was used. It's 2005.
Well, you know, used market is like 10 times the price right now.
I got mine cheap.
I love it.
You gotta know how to work it.
Woo!
My other truck was almost identical to this, except it was a 2000, and it had the lights, the bumper, everything I just said with the underglow and all that stuff. But it caught on fire, and total.
Well,
that's my baby.
I'll say this: I'm glad you made it out alive.
I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Now we're working on this to get it back like that. So we got the new style KW wheels on here.
Yeah.
We got 3 lights up here. It look good, but we're gonna get the underglow light put up there so it'll shine.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the stainless steel step without all the little extra stuff. This is gonna be flat stainless steel.
Oh, that's gonna be cool.
We're gonna get the underglow on the fuel tank. Got them all nice and polished up. You know, you gotta look. When that sun hits it, it's gotta go bing. You know, it's like them commercials. You see that little star coming.
Yeah.
Gotta do that, baby. Gotta do that.
You're like ready for interviews. You're just waiting for a dude. I told you, I was like, I got 0 subscribers. You're like, let's go.
You know what? Honestly, I ain't never done an interview in my life.
Are you serious?
Never.
Well,
because I'm the inside person. I'm an introvert when it comes to that kind of stuff. Hey,
So are you saying my energy is good? It's bringing you out?
You're bringing me out.
I don't want to say I gotta fake it till I make it, but I'm trying to be somebody I'm not.
Don't fake it till you make it. Just make it.
Whoa.
Just make it. You ain't got to fake it. Just make it.
All right, I'll take those words. Okay.
Hello?
Okay. Why is it just passing through?
Because I never stay nowhere at one place. I'm never in one place at one time. I'm just passing through.
What's the best advice you could give someone? You 20 plus years in the game.
Yep.
What's the best advice you could give someone coming into the game?
The best advice I can give is do not think of this as a job. Driving a truck down the road, it's not a job. You have to enjoy it. You have to embrace it. When I get in my truck and I go down the highway, I'm having fun. I'm enjoying what I'm doing. So it's not a job. So I go out here like, well, you can't see it, but there's a traffic jam going north. As soon as I wipe this down, I'm getting on that traffic jam. But you know what? I don't care. I'll get there when I get there. Sit back and ride, baby. Getting there early ain't going, and I'd rather get it there than not get it there.
I tell you, we talk a lot about it on the channel. Guys don't have the CB radios, they don't have this and that.
Yep.
Top 3 things to stay equipped to be safe.
CB radio.
Okay.
Triangles.
I got you.
Fire extinguisher. Extinguisher.
After yours burnt up. Okay.
Fire extinguisher.
I did
and
not
a
mean
big
that.
one.
I did not mean that.
You know what? I've embraced that it happened. That was my very first truck. I've been in, like I said, I've been in the game for a long, but I've always been a company driver. I've always drove company trucks.
So now you're owner-op?
I've been an owner-op for 4 years now.
So what's the push for people since you've been 20 plus years in the game? For someone that's ready for owner-op, what were some of the myths that you're like, damn, I wish I should have jumped in earlier?
It wasn't the myth that I should jump in earlier. It was just me personally. I was scared. And
you were scared? You were not scared? You were scared?
I was scared, man. I wasn't ready.
I did not want to. Person watching this, you were scared. So
I did not want to embrace all the ins and the outs that go with owning your own truck. I was scared. I heard horror stories about, hey, you got to do your fuel tax. You got to do your IFTA. You got to do this. You got to do that. And I'm just like, I don't want to do that. But
motivate them.
I started my company 3 years ago.
Yes.
What I did was I found a company to lease on to.
Okay.
So,
We're not
which
giving
is Bennett,
sponsorship.
Which is Bennett.
But Bennett, they do some heavy hauling stuff.
Oh, yeah. So I own my truck. I own my company. But I'm leased on to Bennett. And guess what? They do all my backdoor stuff. I ain't got to do nothing to go out here and drive.
Now, be honest. You making more money or less money?
I'm making a hell of a lot more money. Even though I'm leased to them and they're still kind of in my pocket, I'm making more money doing it this way than being like a prime driver. Company driver. I was going to say a company driver.
Did you put that truck up for this video?
Well,
is that what you
they got Stevens right over there.
Okay. We don't want to hate on one.
Right.
Because everyone's on levels.
Exactly.
But if you are that prime driver right now, what would you say to him or her?
I can tell already they're in the right direction because they got Rebel King Transportation.
Okay.
So that tells me they own their company.
Right.
Get away from Prime and get to a better company. Prime was a good stepping stone for you to get started, to buy your truck, to do whatever you got to do. Once your truck is paid for, get away and go do your own thing.
I appreciate that.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
get back in the interview.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
walk it.
So, one more thing.
Let's go.
Water tank. I carry my own water in here.
Got you.
So I got 30 gallons of water tank in here.
So you got a spa on side.
I got a 50-gallon water tank down here.
Damn.
So I got a shower. I got the toilet. I got a double sink so I can wash my dishes after I get through cooking.
Yeah,
we'll get to that. That's my toilet where I got to take it out and.
I heard that.
Yeah. And like an RV. That's the only bad thing about this truck. You got to take it in and out. Toolbox with AC dripping down. Of course, you got your ventilation for when you're in the bathroom, so you don't stink yourself out. Now, this is one thing I wish I would have had in my first truck: the back door. That back door is better than sliced bread. I'm telling you. I use that back door more than I use my front door now. It's just so much easier.
That's what she said.
Anyway, when I go grocery shopping, instead of throwing them up in the bunker like I used to on my old, I can just walk them on in there. Walk them on in there. And it's good. And we'll see the inside. I had quarter fenders on here. Didn't like them, so I put half fenders on. Thinking about going with the full gangster style drop fender that covers both the wheels. Looks good and everything, but we'll get there. Just put my turn signal lights on there with my mud flaps. Got to have my women on there, my little girls.
I heard that.
Just put this centerpiece on here because I only had two lights back here. No backup light. I'm a show off. I got to be seen when I go down the road, so we light it up.
I love it that you say you're an introvert, but you show so much pride in your ride.
Oh, man, I do.
You're having a blast with this interview.
Shoot, yeah. Those two lights up there, they're blue. So they shine blue.
I got to come back when it's dark.
Yes, sir. I ain't going to be here.
I'll follow you.
We going to Atlanta, baby. Let's go. But yeah, same thing on the other side. You know, new style wheels, got it all nice and shined up, polished out. Fender had the curly Q style air hoses on there. Didn't like them. I'm more of a clean, straight look. That right there looks a lot cleaner than having all the pigtails on there. I don't like that. Another storage box up here. This big one's my generator. That's what runs all my refrigerator, my refrigerator, microwave, TV. It runs all that back there. And of course, the other side, we're gonna light it up with the underglow on the tanks. Same thing on this side.
Love it.
Just passing through.
Beautiful.
Appreciate it.
Love it.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Can we see a peek of the inside?
Yes, sir. You sure can. Please excuse the mess. Like I said, I've been living in it for the past month. I ain't had time to clean it. I was gonna try to do a little bit of house cleaning when I get up to Atlanta.
Hey, man, if you're gonna have a nice truck like this, you're gonna have strange men in your truck all the time. That came out wrong, but you know what I mean? You gotta have it clean for that. All right, go ahead. I'll follow you.
All right. Behind this door, we have our shower toilet that I was talking about. Combination,
Gotcha.
just like an RV. Convection microwave.
Uh-oh.
So I can bake me some baked goods in there, my brownies and all that good stuff. Freezer, refrigerator. So I do have a freezer in here. So that's good. I got a double sink up here. Please excuse my dishes, but double
Nah,
sink.
you good? I mean, look, really, what's in here? Like a Ida bag and like a couple of clean, you know what I'm saying?
You was talking about what would I tell other people when they become owner operators? Owner operator independent. Owner operator independent. Yes.
Like, you know, some people hate on them though.
So they've helped me.
Okay.
They've helped me.
Gotcha. What did they help you with?
I need a lawyer. I got a ticket.
They got you out of it?
They got me out of it.
Okay.
Well, they didn't per se get me out of it. They sent me to the insurance, or not the insurance, but the lawyer.
Okay.
So they sent me in the right direction to get it taken care of. I came out of it. No points on my license.
Hey, that's gotta make you love anybody, right?
Oh yeah, so I'm definitely sticking with them. This right here, believe it or not,
What is this?
cooktop burner.
Yeah.
So I can get my little skillet out,
Hell
make
yeah.
my little scrambled eggs, you know,
Hell
my
yeah.
fried potatoes, you know how we do. This right here is my bed in my dining room.
I heard that.
Table drops down, I
Yep.
got a table to eat on.
Yep.
Pull a latch, bed folds down, got a full queen size bed behind there with a window.
Nice.
I just lay it on out. Of course, got my surround sound system so I can
Gotta
be at
go.
the theater.
I heard
A
that.
nice little TV. So
Got it.
got all kinds of cabinet spaces in here, as you see. I can put anything
We're
anywhere.
running around in here like it's a marathon.
Now, that is my cockpit.
Yep.
This is where I live most of the time.
Yes, sir.
I got to have, you see my dash, it's all
Yep.
chromed out.
Yep.
Got to have the inside looking like that. You never know. Somebody might come up and ask for an interview or something,
know,
so
some
you got to make it look
crazy
good.
ass dude. I got a broken phone on me. I mean, you just trusted me coming here.
Dude, like I said, I'm open. If somebody's never seen something like this,
Well, we
I'm
appreciate
happy
it.
to let them see it.
We appreciate it. You know,
No worries.
You know, it's one of those things where I know you never had an interview, but
Yeah.
like I did lie to you when I said I got 2 subscribers. I actually got 6. But
That's
my mom
right.
is like subscribed to like the other 3. So you know what I'm saying?
I
But
got
we're gonna
you.
show this.
I got you. I got you.
We bring the energy.
Exactly. It takes one to blow up.
Hey.
And I'm hoping I'm that one. That
Yeah,
can blow your
let's
channel
go.
up, all right?
Hey, I love
I'm
you.
hoping
I
can help
appreciate
you.
you.
Yes, sir.
Thank
No
you so
worries.
much.
No worries at all.
And you know, thanks for motivating all these mother truckers out here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's get it. Yeah,
do
that's
it.
cool. We gotta take a picture in front of it. We're done.